Alright, look, I take this deck and now I shuffle. And next step, I take two cards. I take two joker. Joker number 1 and joker number 2. It's really true. It's really joker number 1, joker number 2, and drop it like this. The next step, spectator, name any cards. Maybe king of diamonds, maybe 7 of clubs, maybe jack of clubs. It's really free. Maybe your cards, king of clubs. So remember, this cards is your cards, king of clubs, putting her like this and squeeze. And now your cards really center this deck. Right. The next step, I take joker number 1 and cut. I take joker number 2 and cut like this. And now snap my finger and two jokers search one cards. It's really crazy. Please name your cards. Yes, this is king of clubs. It's really crazy because it's really pure sleight of hand, no duplicate, no guff. It's really no setup. It's really crazy card tricks. Thank you for watching my video, and now I teach this trick. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really crazy card trick because it's really pure sleight of hand and no guff, no duplicate. It's really crazy. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and now I teach you this really nice trick. So take deck, take this two joker and teach this trick. Let's go. So first trick, spectator takes this deck and now spectator shuffle these cards. It's really true because it's really no setup. It's really no guff, no duplicate. The next step, you take two cards. Maybe you take king of hearts, king of diamonds, three of diamonds, three of hearts. Maybe you take two joker. Why not? It's really anywhere. You take really any two cards. Right. I take this two joker, show it to joker. And next step, you make a spread these two cards. And now you squeeze this two joker and make a break these four cards like this. Alright, you make a break two cards. This is really random cards. Alright, look. I repeat, you take this two joker, show it to joker, make a spread these two cards, squeeze and make a break these four cards. And now you take these four cards and now your left hand turn over this deck like this. Because you covered this jack of hearts, because spectator remember ace of diamonds, right? You take these four cards, turn over this deck and show it joker number 1 and these three cards and joker number 2. And next step, you take these two cards and drop it like this. Of course, you drop it two random cards, right? Yo joker here. So, the next step, use this finger, count two cards, make a break. And take little pile and turn over and save it your break. Take your break and turn over like this. And next step is this two joker, turn over face down and full deck face up. And two cards, two joker face down. Alright. And next step, spectator name any cards. Maybe king of clubs. Why not? It's really free. Now you take this king of clubs, show this king of clubs, and now use this finger, count one cards and make a break. And next step, you make a control these cards like this and control its second bottom position like this. Alright? And squeeze. Of course, your king control this second position and make a sandwich this joker. Alright. And next step, you make a spread, take one random cards and cool these cards like this. And take this cards, cover this joker like this. And next step, turn over this deck. Of course, this is random cards, joker, card spectator, joker. Alright. And next step, take this random cards, drop it like this, make a cut, take one joker, make a cut, snap my finger and show it your spread and take two joker, search one cards. It's really crazy because your cards king of clubs. Yes, it's really crazy, it's really amazing pure sleight of hand card trick. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.